Hi boys and girls, today we're going to be using the STAR strategy to take notes. STAR is an acronym for set up notes, take notes, add to notes, and review notes. Okay, so first you want to get your notebook out, and you want to know the music. Okay, first you want to get your notebook out, and the S is for set up notes. So we're going to write STAR. You can use a pen or a pencil, that's fine. Okay, and then you're gonna put your name, the date, and you can put the class period if you want. Don't have to because it's your notebook. And then the S is for set up notes. We're gonna draw a line about 1/3 of the way into the notebook. So you divide these into thirds. And then we're going to write the learning target at the top. We usually write our learning target so we know what our notes are about. I will know how to use the STAR strategy. Oops, 4 notes. And I like to draw a line across kind of like a divider. I love colors, you will learn that soon. So I'm just gonna, about 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, about 6. Make sure they all stay on the same page. Kind of like I like it to be pretty even. I mean, you don't have to be as even as I am, but it can make your notes nicer. Okay. So S is set up notes. You can put an S here if you want. Set up notes, name, date, title. This is the title. Learning target. This line. Okay. T is take notes. Okay, we'll talk about taking notes, but usually we don't use complete sentences like I am right now. Right side is where you're gonna take a majority of your notes, okay? And then left side, whatever. We'll tell you in the next video how to do that. All right. A, and I'm just gonna go right here just to remind you, doing the STAR strategy, set up notes, take notes. A is add to notes. So add to notes, just to be consistent, I'll put the T here, okay? And then this is usually done later. Oops, done is with an E. Later, you can add pictures, you can be fun, emojis, okay? And then R is review notes. Reread, summarize, and reflect is my favorite. I'm just going to draw a little like mirror here for fun. Those are my notes. And then, I'm just going to get my pencil, which I used at the top. This is always where your summary or reflection goes. On the bottom of every page is what the Cornell note method is like. These are Cornell notes. But, sometimes I'll just have you do this at the end of the whole note-taking lesson. So summary reflection, I'm just going to look back at this. I'm going to look back at the learning target. I'll learn how to use my STAR strategy. Okay, I learned, and you're going to say what you learned. Don't copy me, please. I'm going to put I learned that STAR is an acronym for taking notes. I run out of space here, so I'm just gonna put, I learned to use colors coding in my notes. And we're done.